Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna be walking you through the steps on how to replace the glass back if it's cracked on the back of the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. This tutorial should work with any similar devices. You would need these tools shown in this video that I will show you in order to get this done. We're gonna use something very thin like this tool right here. It's a stainless steel, and you would need a safety glass to protect your eyes, especially from the cracked glass. You need something like this in case if you want to force the back off if it's too strong with the glue. And you would need a heat gun so we can heat up the back to separate the glass back from the frame of the phone. Our very first step is we're going to be heating up the back. You want to heat up the surrounding of the edges of the phone. Make sure you don't put the heat gun too close and so it won't melt anything from the inside. So just kind of like halfway so we can separate or loosen up the glue in order to separate that back piece. Once you are done heating up the back, you want to make sure wear your safety glasses before removing any glass. It's a very important step. So we're going to try to start separating the back from the frame. You want to do it gently. This tool is a little bit thicker, so it might not work, so we're just going to use this one. It's a very thin, and you want to do it all around. You want to make sure you don't cut yourself because this tool is very sharp. That heart's giving me a little bit hard time, so we're just going to use the heat gun just to warm it up just a little more so loosen up that glue on the bottom of that glass piece. Once we have the back piece completely taken off, we're going to be taking off that double-sided tape or glue off the frame. So when we put the new one on, there's nothing underneath. So take your time, don't rush it, just take out that extra glue or double-sided tape off. Make sure everything's clean before you put the new back piece on the phone. Once you have made sure everything is clean on the back, there's no pieces of glass or anything, you can use a toothbrush gently to remove any extra dirt or dust off the back. Here we're going to be using the new back piece. We're going to be start to remove this blue layer. Make sure the glue or double-sided tape that is on that back piece doesn't come off, so you want to be careful because it has to connect really good on the back of the phone. Now we're ready to put the back piece on. Make sure it's aligned with everything and you don't want to kind of put it wrong. What's nice about the Note is the sides are curved, so you're not going to miss it. It's just going to be it's going to sit in place. So you want to just kind of give a little bit of pressure, not so much, where that double-sided tape, so it would glue on the frame and on the back of that phone. So then you can go ahead and remove that plastic layer on the back of the phone. This is the end of my video, guys. As you see, we already replaced the back piece on this Samsung Galaxy Note 5. If you found this video helpful to you, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.